Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a very free AI tool to create a complete presentation from scratch. So this presentation that you're seeing on the screen on the future of AI in education in Nigeria is created by an AI tool and it's completely free of charge. Let me show you a bit of the slides. Okay, so this one talks about current AI initiatives in Nigeria teacher AI program where we have 1.5 million teachers equipped with AI tools and so on, proven results, new AI curriculum coming up, and then we can talk about the future prospects and opportunities. So the setting and everything in terms of the slides is superb. Gives you the challenges and solutions depending on what you are trying to create. So this AI tool is none other than ZAI, and you can access ZAI by just coming anywhere within your browser and just searching in ZAI just like that. You don't enter. You can see it at the first option, Z.ai. Follow up and go ahead and sign in with your own account. It is very easy to sign in and it's completely free of charge to use. Now, once you are here, the default is you go to see yourself in the chat mode, but by this you will not be able to create the slides that we are talking about, only on agent mode, which once you click on agent mode, you'll be able to have access to the AI slides, the full stack, the writing, the data insight, and the magic design. So depending, you can select AI slides and you'll be able to see some recommended prompts that you can start using if you are interested. So for example, this is prepare an enterprise level risk response analysis report presentation for global. If this is what you were trying to create, you can use from the available template, or you can use from all templates where you have some examples of what has been created directly, which you can use and also select the style and customize accordingly, whether you are all templates or you are specific with business related or design related or education related or marketing related, productivity or technology related, depending. You can also select from all of these. And then additionally, you can use this plot sign and you can upload up to 10 different files that you can also have as a guide. Maybe you can upload research papers or any report you've written and you want the AI to be guided with that kind of report to define the direction of how your presentation should look like. So for this, I'm not going to incorporate anything. I'm just going to use a very simple prompt. Okay, can you create a presentation about the future of AI in agriculture in Nigeria, especially in northern Nigeria, and make it 10 slides and very professional? So we can say with this, specify the details of what I need. I can just go ahead and send to this, and let's just give it some seconds to see what this is going to create for us. At the moment, it is thinking, it is trying to make some brainstorming, visit some websites, and be able to see the possibility or applicability of AI in technology from the bigger perspective, and then zoom down to how it's going to affect agriculture, especially in northern Nigeria. So it is doing the thinking. That's the first step. Then after this, it is going to go on to the outlining or the coding aspect, where we are now going to be seeing the computer codes it is writing after visiting all the websites and getting all the needed information. And then lastly, it is going to go directly into the slides creation, which we can be able to directly see the visuals of what it has created. So let's just give it some seconds while it goes through and fish out the information we need and be able to carry out the detailed research so we can have a well documented slides that we can play at the end of this. So let's give it some seconds and I'll get back once the slides is completed. Right now, as you can see, the slides have been created. You can see the preview as well as the HTML file that generated those particular slides. Okay, so you can always come over and see the preview and even play. You can edit it if you want to edit any of the section. You can just click. You can describe your ideas or what you plan to edit from here as well, or you can select a section, describe how you want it, or you can select anything and maybe change coloration or something. You can select any of the elements and have it changed. So this is the slides. So assuming you are done with the editing, you can just say save. You can edit any of the slides accordingly and you can play it if you're interested and play directly. All right, so you can play this as well from the beginning. You can see AI application in Nigerian agriculture and benefits and impacts, as well as challenges and opportunities, and future outlook and call to action. It's a very detailed slides that you can as well use for your content, current states and challenges and so on. So this is very easy. You can create ready-made presentation directly from this. You can click on share and copy this link and share on X, or you can share on WeChat as well. Okay, so you can always come back. Like I said, you can always share from here, and you can copy the link, share to WeChat, and it will export as PDF or as PPTX. So you can just click, and for this it is going to export it as PPTX, which is the one that I've selected, and you can go ahead and play it in your next presentation. So let's give you some seconds to see how this is going to be exported to your own computer, so you can go ahead and process it and start your next presentation. So you can see you can download very easily, and you see it's been downloaded fantastically. So you can just go ahead and start using it for your own content. As you can see, it's all been exported in PPTX, and go ahead and explore and see how you can use it for your own content. So this basically concludes this simple tutorial about the use of the ZAI to create some fantastic presentations completely for free. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.